If you want to use your Gmail inside Outlook, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add a Gmail account to Outlook in just a few simple steps. This is really useful if you want to manage all your emails in one place, stay organized, and avoid switching between different apps all day long. And if this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your Outlook app on your computer. Once Outlook is open, look at the top left corner and click on File. This will open the main account settings area inside Outlook. From there, select Account Info. In this section, you'll see the options related to your email accounts, profiles, and connected services. Now click on Add Accounts in the window that appears. This is the option you need to use when you want to connect a new email address to Outlook. After that, type in the Gmail account you want to add. Make sure you enter the full email address correctly. Then click Continue. Outlook will now begin the sign-in process. At this point, it may redirect you to Gmail so you can authenticate your account. This is completely normal. Google will ask you to verify that it's really you, so follow the on-screen prompts and sign in with the Gmail account you want to connect. Depending on your account security settings, you may also need to complete extra verification steps, like confirming through your phone or entering a code. Once you finish the authentication, Google may show permission screens asking you to allow Outlook access to your Gmail account. Review those permissions carefully, then allow access so Outlook can sync your email properly. After that, Outlook will complete the setup process and add the Gmail account to your Outlook app. Once everything is finished, you should see your Gmail inbox inside Outlook, ready to use. From here, you can send, receive, and organize your Gmail messages right alongside your other accounts. And that's it. Your Gmail account is now connected to Outlook. If this video helped, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step tutorials just like this one.